Come test drive the 2026 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, trailering package, traction control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.